Control to Unit 12. Navigate the final curve carefully.
Confirmed. The herd remains stable and we are on schedule for arrival. Security to ground team. Be advised. Cargo 7 is approaching the main gate. All schedules verified. Prepare for immediate docking procedures.
Clear on the left side. Proceed to the unloading zone. Control confirms Bay 3 is ready.
Platform secure. Manifests checked. Authorization granted.
Copy. Releasing the ramp.
Steady now. Easy does it. Watch the horns on the barrier.
Got it. They are moving onto the ramp.
Nice and steady, gentlemen. Keep them moving toward the scanners.
Confirmed. Ensure proper spacey for the ID tags.
Keep them moving steady. The ramp is clear.
Affirmative. Sending the next group down now. All systems green.
Keep them moving. Section 3 is open.
Copy that. Watching the stragglers now.
Tracking system shows 72% capacity in holding Area 4. Divert next group to Area 5. Please confirm.
Clear passage. Good posture on the Gray Bull.
Scan complete. Profile updated automatically.
All stations sterilized and equipment tested.
The scanners are calibrated for the Gray Longhorn's arrival.
Excellent. We are fully prepared for efficient operations.
All right, team. Phase 1 transfer is complete. Clear the corridor for the next group.
Roger that. Gates opening now.
The digital scan shows excellent muscle density. Yes, I'm uploading the full report to the profile now.
All records checked out positive, Supervisor. Confirmed on the digital log, send them through to Group A. Attention all units. Phase 1 washing sequence commencing. Ensure all safety barriers are secured. Good. Keep monitoring the water pressure. Ensure the horns are spotless before final approval.
Roger that. Moving to the next station.
Horn condition is excellent, proceeding with approval.
Guide them to the next station. Carefully now. Gate 4 opening sequence initiated. Bulls are entering the lane.
Confirmed. Tracking shows all 5 Longhorns moving smoothly.
Transfer complete. Closing the gates now.
Ensure the texture matches the specifications on the tablet for the Roma order.
The softness and texture here are remarkable. All parameters are within tolerance, absolutely flawless. Approved for luxury production. The skiving on these edges is flawless. Absolutely perfect, ready for assembly.
Every interior seam is inspected carefully to ensure the lining fits perfectly and provides a luxurious finish throughout the handbag.